Welcome to LATAM MedTech Insights. A major regulatory shift just happened in Mexico, and it could be a double-edged sword for medical device manufacturers. On January 15, 2026, Mexico's general health law was reformed, and the change impacts Article 376. Previously, sanitary registrations for medical devices were valid for 5 years, requiring a predictable, albeit demanding, renewal cycle. The new reform extends this renewal period to 10 years. On the surface, this is fantastic news. It promises a decade of market stability, reduced administrative workload, and lower renewal-related costs for companies operating in one of Latin America's largest markets. This allows for better long-term financial and strategic planning. However, a deeper analysis reveals potential challenges that could trap unprepared companies. The biggest risk is complacency. A 10-year approval cycle is not a set-it-and-forget-it situation. Regulatory requirements from COFEPRIS can and will change within that decade. Without the forced checkpoint of a 5-year renewal, companies might fail to track minor updates to local regulations, leading to non-compliance that goes unnoticed for years. This creates significant liability. Furthermore, with less frequent renewal submissions, COFEPRIS will almost certainly intensify its focus on post-market surveillance and vigilance. Proactive and robust monitoring of devices in the market is no longer just good practice. It is the primary method regulators will use to ensure ongoing safety and compliance over the 10-year term. This regulatory evolution demands a fundamental shift in mindset. Companies must move from a cyclical renewal approach to a model of continuous, active compliance. Your technical dossier cannot be a static document left untouched for 9 years. It must be treated as a living file, meticulously updated with any change in the device, its labeling, or manufacturing processes. For instance, a change in a material supplier, which might seem minor, must be evaluated for its impact on the registration and documented correctly. The key to success in this new landscape is having a robust system for constant regulatory intelligence and a bulletproof post-market surveillance program. This is where having a dedicated local partner becomes critical. They can ensure you stay ahead of changes and maintain a state of constant readiness. For more insights on how to build a 10-year compliance strategy for Mexico, please feel free to email or visit Chen-Global.